In our last video we read about operators. Now arithmetic expressions. What is an arithmetic expression? An arithmetic expression is a combination of variables, constants and operators arranged as per the syntax of the language. How these expressions will be evaluated? Now the syntax is variable is equal to expression. For example, x is equal to a into b minus c, y is equal to b by c into a, z is equal to a minus b by c plus d. Here in between operators you can use the blank space. It adds to improve the readability. Now program to illustrate the use of variables in expressions and their evaluation. Here different types of expression we assign to the variable x, y and z, and we assign the values like 9 is equal to a and 9 is equal to b and c is equal to 3. These we took it as a float type x, y, z as well. So when printf statement we are using the value of x, it should be in percentage f, means it should print in the float form. So we are getting the result here according to the expressions. Precedence of arithmetic operators. Precedence of arithmetic operator is nothing but an arithmetic expression without parenthesis will be evaluated from left to right using the rules of precedence of operators. There are two distinct priority level in C. High priority first we are giving to into division and mod. The low priority we are giving to plus and minus. For example, in an expression, if there are operators mixed like subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, then we are giving the highest priority operator. Here b divided by 3, it should be evaluated first. So division will be performed first, then multiplication sign is there, that will be evaluated next, then those value will be added to the previous value, and then finally it will subtract and it will display the result. Some computational problems may occur when due to such approximation may lead to serious problems. For example, error messages like abnormal termination of the program. It occurs when number divided by 0. Actually when number divided by 0 it is infinity. In some cases such a division may produce meaningless results. Overflow and underflow errors. It occurs when operand are not correct type and range. Next is type conversion in expression, automatic type conversion. C permits mixing of constants, variables of different types in an expression. If the operand are of different types, the lower type is automatically converted to the higher type before the operation proceeds. For example, float to int causes the truncation of the fractional part, double to float causes rounding of digits, long int to int causes dropping the excess higher order bits. Second type of type conversion is casting a value. The process of local conversion is known as casting a value. The general form is type name expression. Type name is nothing but int, float, double, and expression is a plus b, a minus b, a into b, a divided by b, like that. The expression may be constant, variable, or an expression. Here some examples are given. For example, x is equal to int 7.5. So the action will be 7.5 is converted to integer by truncation. A is equal to int 21.3 by int 4.5. Then evaluated, it will be evaluated as 21 by 4, and the result would be 5. 5 4s are 20. B is equal to double sum of n. Division is done in floating point mode. Y is equal to int a plus b, it is in parenthesis. The result of a plus b is converted to integer. Next, z is equal to int a plus b. A is converted to integer first and then added to b. P is equal to cos double of x. It converts x to double before using it. Next is operator precedence and associativity. Each operator in C has a precedence associated with it. This precedence is used to determine how an expression involving more than one operator is evaluated. There are distinct levels of precedence and an operator may belong to one of the levels. The operator at the higher level of precedence are evaluated first. The operator of the same precedence are evaluated either from left to right or from right to left depending on the level. This is known as associativity property. For example, here if x is equal to 10 plus 15 and y is less than 10, here according to the associativity property 10 plus 15 addition will perform first, then it will check the y is less than 10. Here program to find the area of a square. For finding the area of a square we need the two variables, area as well as side. Both the values will be changed, so here it's of type variable, integer type we are taking. Printf enter the side of a square. You are asking side from the user, and then area of a square is nothing but side by side, so print area of a square is area. It will give the result. Enter side of a square. If you give 5, area of a square is 25. 5 multiplied by 5. If you give 7, 7 sevens are 49. Like that the result will be shown. Thanks for watching.